Hello everyone. So today I'm making another video about Citrix Director, and I just want to show you how to add multiple sites to the same director. So I have one director. So this is normal install. When you install it together with the DDC in one go, and we have so only one site configured, so we can only see what's happening in one site. Okay, so this is the site. It's gathering the information. So it's a single site configuration. What we want to have, we have multiple sites, and we want to add an additional DDC, and that can be done very easily. So let me log off. We need to go to IIS. We need to find our director page. Here it is. And we need to go under application settings, and here service auto discovery address. So localhost is the default description when you install it together with the DDC. So let me show you. Is city. So I only have the DDC. I don't have separate director installation, and to convert that into multiple sites, we just have to enumerate here all our DDCs. So if we have two sites, we need to at least write one DDC from each site. So in the first site, I have DDC 01.com and DDC 02.test.com. So those are from the first site, and the third one is how is it? DDC dev DDC 03 dev dot test. I hope it's this. Let me just check it really quick. How was it called? Test. I had an Excel. Wait 1 second. Okay, so I found the spreadsheet, and it's DDC03 dev.test app, so it's correct. Okay, just hit OK. We need to do an IIS reset so that the settings get applied. IIS set. We just need to wait for the stop and start of the service. Okay, and now we should see more than one site in our director. Yep. So now we have the dev and the main site, and we just can switch to from one to another. Let's see. Okay, so dev, we need to upgrade the dev, but doesn't matter because this is just this is about something else. Okay, so this was it, and if you want to go back to your default configuration, just undo and right here localhost, and then it will only show the resources from your current configuration on this DDC. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel.